Holger Rune reunited with Patrick Mouratoglou after splitting with Boris Becker, but the French coach already has his eye on Nick Kyrgios. Patrick Mouratoglou has shared his wish to work with Nick Kyrgios despite rejoining Holger Rune's team. Following the Danes' split with Boris Becker, Mouratoglou started coaching Rune for the third time. But he is already eyeing a potential partnership with a man who believes he is uncoachable. Rune recently reunited with Mouratoglou after Boris Becker and Severin Luthi left his team. The world number 7 first started working with the French coach at the end of 2022. Following a brief split last spring, they continued their partnership before splitting in August. But the Frenchman has been back in Rune's corner this week in Acapulco. Mouratoglou also has experience with some of the game's top players. Spending a decade with Serena Williams and later joining Simona Halep's team until the former world number 1 was suspended following a positive doping test. Although his focus is now on Rune, the 53-year-old is already floating the idea of working with another player, Nick Kyrgios. Kyrgios has not had a proper coach since 2017 and previously admitted that he wouldn't want to put someone through his unusual habits. But Mouratoglou would still like to give it a go. Telling tennis majors, "I think he would be one of the most exciting guys to coach." However, Rune's mentor knows that it wouldn't be worth it unless Kyrgios was willing to bring in a new voice. The thing is, for someone to have a coach, he needs to want it, he added. You cannot work with a player who doesn't want a coach. So that will be his decision one day, or maybe never, we'll see. Explaining why he thought he could be a good fit for the uncoachable Kyrgios. Mouratoglou claimed that he understood the Australian while most others didn't. He continued, "This guy has an incredible potential. He's complicated, he's complex. Sometimes I think I'm not even sure he understands himself, but I think from the side watching him for so many years, I think I understand him. I mean, I'm not the only one probably, but I can feel him. I think there are a lot of very smart things to do with him, a Grand Slam or more."